I'm Dan Glazer. I'm a sales engineer at Panasonic in our solar and storage division, and our headquarters is based in Newark, New Jersey. Panasonic has a long history. We are a 101-year-old company. We've been doing solar for the last 29 years. We started R&D of our technology in 1990, and we've been mass producing the solar panel we have today for the past 22 years. Panasonic, we have an authorized installer program, which is a network of qualified dealers across the country. And what we offer with this authorized installer program is our leading triple guard warranty, 25 years service warranty, and it aligns nicely with Treeium's service guarantee to their customers. Panasonic has been manufacturing in mass production these same HIT solar panels for the past 22 years. HIT panels are one of the highest performing panels in the marketplace. They have the lowest temperature coefficient, one of the leading warranties, and backed by a 101-year-old company. Our HIT panels are one of the best choices for any residential homeowner. Due to their high efficiency and their small footprint, you can maximize the amount of power out of your roof. We're very happy to offer our authorized installer program to Treeium, and this includes our triple guard warranty. What this warranty covers is 25 years of performance guarantee, guaranteeing that at the end of 25 years, you will have 90.76% of your power output of that panel guaranteed, which is one of the leading warranties in the industry. We also offer a labor warranty as well, just to our authorized installer network, so you can be rest assured that if a panel should ever go bad and need to be replaced, Panasonic will also stand behind that authorized installer by covering the labor warranty services. We are extremely excited to have Treeium as part of our authorized installer network, as they provide best-in-class services to homeowners across California.